Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a door handle on a BMW X5 E53. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a Torx T20 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have your new replacement handle assembly ready. Working in a well-lit area will help you clearly see all the components and ensure a smooth process from start to finish. Next, let's carefully remove the door panel. Begin by gently prying off the small trim piece covering the two Torx T20 screws. Once those are out, use your trim removal tool to carefully unclip the door panel, starting from the bottom edge. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors before fully detaching the panel to avoid damage. Now, with the door panel off, you can access the handle assembly. Disconnect the Bowden cable from the old handle mechanism. There are two more Torx T20 screws holding the assembly in place. Remove those. Carefully pull out the old handle. Then, install your new door handle assembly, ensuring all connections, especially the Bowden cable, are securely attached. Finally, it's time for reassembly and testing. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the door panel. Carefully align the door panel and firmly press it back into place until all clips engage. Reinstall the two Torx T20 screws and the trim piece. Before you finish, thoroughly test the new door handle's functionality, including the locking and unlocking mechanisms, to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.